After all the leaks and rumors, it's finally official. Also, the official press images have just dropped online. Let me tell you, the hype is real, and this is going to be epic. Samsung just announced with an official teaser video that the next Galaxy Unpacked event is happening on January 22nd, 2025 in San Jose, California. And yes, they'll be unveiling the Galaxy S25 series. We're looking at 3 devices right out of the gate: the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the big beast, the S25 Ultra. Not only that, rumor has it a 4th device, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might make an appearance a little later down the line. Samsung's teasing something big for this event, what they're calling the next evolution of Galaxy AI. They're saying it'll be more natural, more intuitive, and could completely change how Galaxy users interact with the world. The teaser even hinted at some AI assistant voice features, so we might see something game-changing there. Plus, One UI 7 is expected to play a huge role in this new AI experience, which means we could also get the official launch of the latest software update. According to the beta releases in past months, we can see numerous changes, especially full remake of the UI with the new One UI 7. That's not all the excitement. The official press images for the Galaxy S25 lineup have leaked online, and there's a lot to unpack here. First off, you can see Samsung's official silicone cases paired with the phones, along with the standard wallpaper for the S25 models right there on the screens. We've also got images of some official Samsung cases, including ones with Qi 2 support. Speaking of Qi 2, the S25 series is rumored to support fast wireless charging up to 25 watts. It's giving major MagSafe vibes, kind of like an iPhone, but in the best way possible. We can expect some accessories to go with this Qi 2 cases, just like the MagSafe accessories for the iPhones. So, apart from the official press images, a tipster on X has shared what they claim are images of the Galaxy S25 Plus. Now, don't expect any big hardware changes here. It looks almost identical to the S24 Plus. There is a noticeable Wave window on the side and a slightly updated camera module design, but that's about it. Also, some new renders have popped up online, and they show the same curved corners and those super slim display bezels. A few weeks back, leakster Evan Blass dropped images of the Galaxy S25 series, and he even revealed the exact names of all the color options for the lineup. Now, some of these colors might be exclusive to Samsung's online store, so we'll have to wait until the launch to see which ones are limited editions. The leaked renders also gave us a look at the stock wallpapers for the Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 Ultra. And guess what? You can already download them. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check them out. From what we know so far, all the devices in the S25 series are expected to come with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, and they're also getting an upgraded camera setup. If you are looking forward to the launch of the Galaxy S25, you can pre-reserve yours today and get exclusive bonuses on Samsung website. So check them out too. And that's a wrap for this video. Let me know in the comments what you think about this upcoming flagship series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.